What's up, LEGO fans? This is Tom from True North Bricks, and today I have another LEGO unboxing for you. So this set has arrived from Denmark, so we're going to take a couple of minutes and we're going to see what the LEGO group has sent me today. I have a pretty good idea already what is inside of this box. I believe that this is the next LEGO Ideas set. All right, so just get this out of here. All right, so what we've got here is set 21327. So this is the LEGO Ideas Typewriter that was designed by AFOL fan Steve Guinness. So this set contains 2,079 bricks, and it will retail for $269.99 in Canada. In terms of the release date, if you have a VIP card at the LEGO store, you will be able to get this set on June 16th, and it will go for general retail on July 1st. So if we have a look, that's the front of the box there. On the back of the box, it shows that you get a letter from Thomas Kirk Christensen, so one of the heads of the LEGO group. It also shows you in some of the pictures here that the typewriter has some functionality, so typing the keys causes some of the parts to move, which is an interesting feature. So I'm very much looking forward to putting this together and providing you with the review over at TrueNorthBricks.com. You can get more information from the press release as well as see those set specifics again also already on TrueNorthBricks.com, and I will get that review up for you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, and I will catch you next time.